Do you ever find yourself thinking, how can something so small pack such a big punch? If you've ever encountered a clove, you've probably had this exact thought. You've arrived at the right place, my friends. In today's episode, we'll be uncovering the mysteries and marvels of the humble clove. Buckle up, it's going to be a tasty ride. First off, let's crack the biggest question. What are cloves? Well, simply put, cloves are tiny aromatic flower buds that come from the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. They've been used in cooking and traditional medicine for centuries, but it's the benefits of eating cloves every day that will have you rushing to the spice aisle. So let's start with benefits. Number 1, Antioxidant Powerhouse. Each little clove is packed with antioxidants that help your body fight off cellular damage and oxidative stress. And you know what they say, an antioxidant a day keeps the wrinkles at bay. Number 2, Anti-Inflammatory. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation. Who knew cloves were such heavyweights in the health arena? Number 3, Dental Health. Have you ever wondered why clove oil is a popular remedy for toothaches? That's because cloves have been shown to kill bacteria and promote oral health. So go on, chew a clove for that fresh breath and winning smile. Number 4, better digestion. Cloves can aid digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. Number 5, are you suffering from bloating or constipation? Well, cloves may be your new best friend. Number 6, blood sugar control. Early studies suggest that cloves might play a role in maintaining insulin levels and blood sugar. Number 7, liver protection. They may be small, but cloves are mighty when it comes to your liver health. That's right. These little gems can help your liver function more efficiently. Number 8, bone health. Packed with manganese, a mineral vital for bone health, cloves are here to help you stand tall. Number 9, boost immunity. Want to give your immune system a boost? Add cloves to your diet. They increase the production of white blood cells, enhancing your body's ability to fight off infections. Number 10, weight loss. Cloves have been found to promote weight loss by increasing the body's metabolic rate. Do you need a reason to spice up your meals? This is it. Cloves have aphrodisiac properties. Whether you believe it or not, it's an excuse to spice things up in the kitchen, right? Now let's get to the interesting part. Is clove good for hair growth? Well, yes, cloves stimulate blood flow, so applying clove oil to your scalp might promote hair growth. Of course, you're going to want to test it out for yourself. Don't blame me if you find yourself on the next shampoo commercial. But what about my skin, I hear you ask? Well, you're in luck. You see, clove water may help tighten skin. While more scientific studies are needed, it's worth giving it a try. Who knows? Maybe your skincare routine has been missing a clove-infused face mask all this time. So there you have it. Cloves are much more than just a flavor enhancer. They're a small but mighty powerhouse of health benefits. Will you incorporate cloves into your daily diet? Will you test out clove oil for hair growth or clove water for skin tightening? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health wonders waiting to be unraveled. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, small changes can lead to big results.